This bar chart gives information about drinking habits by age in the US. In the age group 16 to 24, never a drinker in blue occupies the largest proportion at 60%. Heavy drinker in green occupies the least one, about 5%. In contrast, in the age group 65 to 74, ex-drinker in yellow occupies the largest percentage, about 40%. Heavy drinker in green occupies the smallest share, about 5%. To sum up, the graph tells about drinking habits.
The following graph gives information of the Iron Age hut. According to this graph, this is a cross-section of an ancient hut, which is triangular in shape. In the middle of the graph, it's a pillar supporting the sloping rafters, and the roofs are covered by reed thatch. In the hut, you can see ashes and seats below the ground level. On the ground level, there is the turf wall. To sum up, this graph tells about the Iron Age hut.
The following graph gives information about Australia inbound visitors. The items include countries and years. In this graph, in New Zealand, the value of 2005 is around 1,099. And in Japan, that of 2005 is lower, around 570. You can see from this graph that the highest one in 2006 is around 1,073. What's more, the lowest number occurs in 2006 as around 410. In conclusion, 2005 has the most visitors.
The picture gives information about different arm bones. As we can see from the picture, the human has the largest upper arm bone. Following that, birds and bats have the longest lower arm bone, and they are almost the similar length. After that, the bats have the longest metacarpals. However, the seal limb has the longest fingers. To sum up, different body structures has different kinds of bones.
The following graph gives information about the proportion of the Eat Well plate. The items include fruit and vegetables, bread and rice, food and drinks, and so on. According to this graph, the proportion of fruits and vegetables is around 35%, and that of milk and dairy food is lower, which is around 18%. You can see from this graph that the highest percentage is fruit and vegetables, around 35%. Also, the lowest value is food and drinks high in fat sugar, and it is around 8%. To sum up, fruits and vegetables are the most important contents of the Eat Well plate. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.